This is lovely, man. I love it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is DEG 5G transformation. You all know me before as DEG makeup and gele. I decide to change my name because I am now all-in-one beautician. As you guys know before, I am into makeup and gele. Now I am now on bridal hair, okoko for the beanie, traditional wedding hair. So I am now into many beauty. That is the reason I change my name. Very soon you will be used to it. Guys, this is the continuation of the video I dropped 2 days ago. If you want to watch and know how I achieved this makeup, the video is down below. Go to my channel, go and see the way I apply this makeup step by step. The video is on my channel. Thank you guys. I'm going to tie her the latest trending gele for celebrants. Yes, we give it to you the way you want it. If you want the loud makeup, we give it to you. If you want the simple makeup, we give it to you. We satisfy our customer. Yes, thank you guys. Don't be in a rush. Please, as you can see, this hairstyle, this is the one, the latest trending on Instagram for celebrants. Yes, she is popping. She is popping. Thank you guys. If you want to see the way how I achieve this makeup, go to my Facebook. Sorry guys, go to my YouTube channel. The video is there. The video is there, guys. Thank you. Bye for now. My name is now DEG 5G transformation. Yes, you will be used to it. Small, you will be used to it. Thank you guys. Thanks to all my subscribers, those that watch my video always. If you have not yet subscribed, don't waste time, guys. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Anytime I upload any video, you will be the first to watch it. Follow me on my Instagram, follow me on my Facebook page. I have many interesting videos on my channel. Thank you. I am into makeup cosmetics. I sell perfume. I sell my products, my makeup product. Contact me for more information. As you can see, she is popping. She is popping. She is ready. Guys, I need some marks. Just give me mark. 10/10, 5/10, 7/10, 1/10. What do you think, guys, on this gele? Just leave your comment down below for me. Thank you guys. Go to my YouTube channel. I have many interesting videos on my YouTube channel. She is happy. She is happy. She is happy. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ciao. Bye bye. Thank you.